Fluent English practice.
Hello everyone, my name is Anna. Today we are going to talk about something very close to my heart, my family at home. In this lesson, I will tell you about each person in my family. You will learn new words and simple sentences so you can talk about your own family too. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen carefully, and you can repeat the sentences after me. Step by step, your English will improve. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have a small and loving family. There are 5 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me. We live together in a simple and cozy home. Our house is not big, but it is full of love. Now, let me start by telling you about my mother. My mother's name is Sarah. She is 45 years old. She is a very kind and caring woman. She always smiles, even when she is tired or busy. My mother loves cooking. She enjoys making food for our family. Her favorite dish is pasta, and she makes it very well. When I come home from school or work, she always asks me, "How was your day?" She listens to me carefully. She gives me good advice. When I feel sad or worried, she gives me a warm hug. Her hugs make me feel safe and calm. I am very thankful to have my mother in my life. Now let me tell you about my father. My father's name is David. He is 48 years old. He works in an office during the day. But at home, he can fix many things. If something is broken, he tries to repair it. He fixes doors, sinks, and even my bicycle. My father is also very funny. At dinner time, he tells jokes. We laugh so much that our stomachs hurt. On weekends, he likes to take us outside. Sometimes we go to the park. Sometimes we walk near the river. He enjoys spending time with the family. He makes our home feel happy. I also have a brother. His name is Tom. He is 15 years old. Tom is a student in high school. He loves playing football. Every weekend, he plays with his team. Sometimes his team wins matches and brings home trophies. At home, Tom likes playing video games. Sometimes he is noisy, but I don't mind. We sometimes play together. We laugh and enjoy ourselves. Even though he is younger than me, he is very protective. If I have a problem, he is always ready to help. Now, let me tell you about my little sister. Her name is Anna. She is 10 years old. She is small, but she is very smart. She loves reading storybooks. She likes stories about princesses and exciting adventures. She also loves drawing. Her drawings are colorful and beautiful. Sometimes she draws pictures of our family. She draws us sitting together in the living room. She asks many questions because she wants to learn new things. She has a big heart. She often makes small gifts for us, like handmade cards or paper flowers. Each person in my family is different, but that is what makes us special. We care for each other, we support each other, we love each other very much. When we are together, our home feels warm and peaceful. In the evening, we usually have dinner together. My mother cooks delicious food. We sit at the table as a family. We talk about our day. We share stories from school and work. Sometimes we laugh so much that we forget to eat. On weekends, we like to spend more time together. Sometimes we watch movies in the living room. We make popcorn, turn off the lights, and enjoy the film. Other times, we play board games. Tom often wins. Anna pretends to be angry, but we know she is having fun. We also like to go outside together. In spring, we go for walks in the park. In summer, we sometimes have a picnic. We bring sandwiches, fruit, and juice. We sit under a big tree. We eat, talk, and enjoy the sunshine. Even when life is busy, we always try to make time for each other. Now, let me tell you about our home. Our house is not very big, but it is bright, warm, and comfortable. When you enter our home, you can feel love in every room. The first room is the living room. There is a soft sofa. We sit there together in the evenings. There is a coffee table in the middle. On the table, there is often a vase with flowers. A large window lets sunlight inside. Family photos hang on the wall. Next is the kitchen. It is small, but full of good smells. This is where my mother cooks. There is a round table where we sometimes eat breakfast. Our home has 3 bedrooms. My parents have their own room. It is clean and simple. My brother's room is full of football posters and trophies. My sister's room is colorful. She has drawings on the wall and toys on the shelves. My room is small, but I love it. I have a bed, a desk, and many books. At night, I like to read before sleeping. We have 1 bathroom, so we take turns in the morning. Sometimes it feels busy, but we manage together. Our home is not fancy, but it is full of love and care. It is the place where we feel safe, where we rest, and where we create memories.